Okay, we've been talking about joining two simple sentences together to make a compound sentence. And to make the compound sentence from the two simple sentences, we have to use a comma, then a conjunction like and, or, but, and so. So we need to have a comma, and then and, or, but, and so, to join our two simple sentences together. So today we're going to work on joining together some compound sentences on our paper. So what I want you to do is I want you to cut apart this in a square. Like this. I want it cut out, and we're going to put it in our grammar notebooks. We're going to work together on this. So I would cut it out so it looks like this first. We're going to need where it says simple, we're going to need where it says compound sentences, because we're going to put that at the top of our page so we know what this is. And then I'm going to cut it out. So I have this where it says compound sentences, boys and girls. And then I'm going to have this. And then, yeah, it would be easier if you go like this. I don't go like this. See? And then cut like that. And cutting along, making it a little more cutting. Okay? So then we're going to have it like this. Yes. So once you have it like this, then I'll show you the next step in cutting. We've cut lots like these, right, boys and girls? And then we have to make flaps. So then we're going to cut on the solid line in between the sentences. So then I'm going to have a flap like this. Just like we did with our ones last time. Yes, like this. Good job. We cut a lot of these last year. And we've cut a few of these this year. Yes.
We did that with the Abraham Lincoln and George Washington thing last year.
Yes. Yes, we did. So they're like this. Very good. And then, of course, when we glue them with our glue stick, we only glue here on this part. Where do we glue? Everybody look at me. We only glue right here, because then we want to be able to flap it. We want to be able to have a flap to open it up, right, everybody? We want to have a flap so we can open it up. So we go to our very next page in our grammar book. Don't skip pages. And boys and girls, this is going to be at the top of the page in the white. You know, you have that big white part. So this will be at the top. It's like your title, because we want to have a title. And our title will be called Compound Sentences. So title it. This will be our title. It'll fit up there at the top. And then this will be our title. And it'll say Compound Sentences. Okay? And it'll look so nice in there. So remember, only put the glue stick on the flat part, only along the side, because we want to be able to lift those up. And then we're going to write underneath it. Yeah, it looks so nice. Doesn't it look so nice when we have our notebook full of those? With our flaps, I love our flaps. Flaps are so much fun. We're having our school fun. Yeah.
School fun not as fun as home fun.
School fun is not as home fun. Well, it's a different type of fun.
It's learning.
It's learning fun. good to learn things, right? It's good to learn things. Good for our brains. Yes, I see everybody's doing a good job. Double check to make sure we're all gluing on the right spot. It looks like we are. Yes, good. We haven't had anybody glue them wrong since like the first time. So good. Excellent. We're all pros now. Okay. So now I think we are ready. If you want to, if you're super disturbed by having that piece of paper on your desk, now is your time to very quickly go throw it in the recycling bin. You have 5 seconds to do that. So we can be focused. Excuse me, remember social distance. There we go. Now we can focus on joining our sentences, because now we're going to write and practice our compound sentences, because up to now probably seems slightly confusing, and now it'll all click into place. We did this last year a bunch of times, so this might jog your memory and you'll think, oh yes, I remember this. So now we have, let's look at our first 2 sentences. We have, I pet the cat purred. So we want to combine it into one longer sentences using a comma and a conjunction. Now the first thing I want to tell you is we don't necessarily always have to keep saying the same word in the subject of the sentence. So we do not have to keep saying the word cat. Cat doesn't have to come many times. Yes, who wants to try to combine our sentence using the word conjunction and, or, but, or so? Those are just some of the conjunctions we can use. How are we going to combine those sentences? Alisa.
I pet the cat and the cat bowl.
We can say that. This time we will repeat the word cat. So where's my comma go?
In the mid,
Tell me what word it goes after.
after cat,
I put the cat, comma, and the cat purred. So that's open up the flap. Okay, now our next 2 sentences. Who'd like to try those for me? Jensen?
school is canceled today. There is too much snow on the road. School is canceled today.
I'm going to tell you right now, you can flip the order of those 2 sentences so it makes better sense.
There's too much snow on the road. So, school's canceled today.
Yes, where's the comma go?
Before so.
Well, okay, so there is too much snow on the roads. So you said before school, so it would be after the word roads, right?
So,
So, school is canceled so there's too much snow on the roads, comma, so school is canceled today.
Put your glasses on.
Libby, would you like to do sentence number 3? Read our 2 sentences.
I don't like playing soccer. I like to play baseball.
How can we combine those?
I don't like playing soccer, comma, but I like playing basketball.
Baseball. Very good. I like that. I don't like playing soccer, comma, but I like to play baseball. So I don't like playing soccer, comma, but I like to play baseball. There we go. There we go. There we go. Good job, boys and girls. Good job. Very good job. Yes.
I can't see the clock from here. What time is it?
11:01. Time flies when you're having fun. Okay, now, because we, oh, time is money for sure.
Time is learning.
Time is learning, that's right, time is learning. We're learning all day long. Now, here's what you can do.